Welcome to Littlejohn's Yarns. Today we're going to learn how to crochet the single crochet cross stitch. This stitch is worked almost like the single crochet with a slight variation. As you can see, there's little X's going throughout the pattern. So this pattern is going to be worked in the round. That's the only way it can be worked because the opposite side is a different texture. It's a nice texture, but it's different. So to begin, you're going to chain your desired amount and slip stitch to join to create a ring. So let me show you what it looks like. It's just a simple stitch. I already started at the very end of my row. So I'm just going to slip stitch to join to start my new row and chain one. So you're going to start this stitch just like a single crochet. You're going to go back into that same stitch. Instead of yarning over, you are going to yarn under and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through two. So almost like a single crochet. I'll show you one more time. You go into the next stitch, yarn under, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two. That twisting creates an X motion, X shape. So I'll show you one more time. Yarn under, pull up a loop, and pull through two. And that is how you do the single crochet cross stitch. You just keep repeating that technique all the way around and slip stitching the join. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you enjoy quick patterns like this, please make sure you click and subscribe and click that notification bell.